Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie West with West Functional Chiropractic, and today we're talking about babies and bouncers and bumbos. So, about babies. So, babies should be able to sit when they're about 6 months old. And a lot of times you see the bumbo chairs, the ones that are hard plastic and they come up pretty high in the front, come up pretty high in the back, that you can sit baby in. But the mistake that's made with most daycares and most parents, just simply because they don't know, is baby's not ready to sit before, usually about 6 months of age, before they can sit on their own. So whenever we sit baby in one of those chairs and it kind of holds them up for them, what it does is it puts an abnormal stress on the lower spine that shouldn't be there. So they can't sit yet because their bodies aren't ready to. So when we make that happen early, you can start to see bigger problems through the spine and through the pelvis from that load that's not ready to be there yet. So what do you do before 6 months of age? Let them lay on their back and play. Tummy time is absolutely important. So whenever you put them on their tummy to play, a lot of times they don't like that. Most of the time it's indicative that they need an adjustment in their cervical spine because they can't turn that head and move it up. But when they're on their tummy, they should be developing this cervical curve in the neck, which is so important, and then that curve in the lower back. So if they're sitting in a chair all the time, they can't do that, and it's actually harming their back. Also, with the jumpers and the bouncers, again, most of the time, baby can't stand up on their own yet. So they shouldn't be standing up in one of those, because what it does is it takes the hips, and so their body's hanging and dangling in one of those little hip in the chair. And when they're bouncing and they're pushing their weight off, what it's doing is it's putting an abnormal stress on those hips that shouldn't be there. So we can see some hip dysplasia start from that. So until they're standing on their own, do not put them in a walker. Do not put them in a bouncer or one of those swings that hangs over the doorway where they can just kind of go. You want to wait until they're ready to be weight bearing. The same way, don't put them in a bumbo until they're sitting on their own, because again, they're not ready. Watch what they're doing naturally, and that's when is the time to use that. So if this helped you, press like or share below so that other mamas can know the same thing and they're not having these problems later on because of the things they did early on. And all it is education. Education's key, so that's why we do these.